Hi, everyone. I am so excited for this retreat that's happening in mid-October, just at the outskirts of Toronto. And I am happy to see that you are excited and looking forward to it as well. So let's take a deep breath. The moment to reunite and gather and create a community and heal and go deep within ourselves together has come. I sure have missed being together with people. So we survived the last 2 years. Many did not. And in this period of 2 years, our life has turned inside out, upside down, in good and bad ways. The whole pandemic has turned us inside out, not just individually, but collectively. There's plenty going on for the last 2 years. At least we are seeing it. So on one hand, we are overwhelmed. We are stressed to the max. We are fearful. We don't know how to navigate this time. And on the other hand, we really perhaps have waken up to the realization that life is a gift we lived, and the realization that we are here to create the new world for ourselves, that we are the co-creators of our life, of our reality. So how do you navigate these two things where there's, you're wanting to move forward, but all the past pulls you back, the same old programming and patterns that are no longer useful in the new world, they pull you back. But that's exactly the work we will be doing in this retreat. I want to take you to your future self. I want you to envision a future where you feel vibrant. What I mean by that is you have energy, mental, physical, stamina, and energy to do the things that you want to do. Second, you feel free. You know where freedom comes from? When we align with who we are and we're doing the work and we really let go of all the distractions, all the outside noise, and connect deeply with ourselves and live our life from inside out and fulfilled. That's what we are going to create. That's where I'm going to take you to feel vibrant, free, and fulfilled. You can do this. We all can do this. So I invite you to take a look at all the details which are really laid out for you. When you are reading the details and it resonates with you, make the decision. Make the decision. Doubt is a problem for all of us. When the doubt sets in, the mind, find the reason. What resonates with you, take the opportunity. Our life is a gift. We don't have a whole lot of time left. We're here to do something great for ourselves. That's how we do something great for the outer world. The world needs us to shine our light. In order to shine our light brightly, we have to go in and connect to the source of our liveliness and our light. This retreat is going to be amazing. I'm telling you, it's going to blow you away because I have so much to teach you, to share with you, to guide you to, and I'm so excited for you. I've done all the work. You guys know that I am a living example of what I teach. So I've done all the work, it's in my bones. And I can't wait for you to experience the same what I experienced. So take a look if this is what you're looking for, if this is what you need, and I know many, many, many of us are needed. It is so important to invest in ourselves, something that we have not done before. This is a new way of being. The best investment is what you invest in yourself, the time, the resources, the effort. Okay, so take a look at the details, and I cannot wait to see you there. I'm already there. I am so excited.